Hello students, this is our first lecture on chapter number 2 from power engineering. Chapter number 2 is high pressure boilers. In previous chapter already we have discussed about what is power plant, importance and necessity of power plant, what are different types of power plant. Then after we discuss about steam power plant, hydroelectric power plant, diesel power plant, and also we have gone through various types of maintenance required for these power plants. In second chapter, that is in high pressure boilers, we are going to discuss about how high pressure boilers are more efficient than conventional boilers. Unit number 2, that is high pressure boiler unit, satisfies CO number 2, that is to select high pressure boiler for power generation capacity of plants. It means according to the generation capacity of plant, we have to select high pressure boiler for that particular power plant. First of all, we will see what is boiler. Simply we can say boiler is nothing but the closed vessel which we are using for heating of any fluid or water. After heating, that fluid is converted into vapor or into steam. That vapor or steam in further process used for heating application or for power generation, we can say. Also in a thermal power plant, we are using water to convert that water into steam, and that steam is utilized to run the turbine, and from that we are generating the electricity. So simply here we can say boiler is nothing but the closed vessel which is used to convert water into the steam by supplying heat. Here it is given what is high pressure boiler. So conventional boiler and high pressure boiler differs with their generation capacity, pressure and maximum temperature. Accordingly, here some specifications are given for modern high pressure boilers. Here which boiler comes under category of high pressure boiler, it is mentioned that boiler is called as high pressure boiler when it operates with high pressure steam above 80 bars. Okay, so boilers above 80 bar pressure are known as high pressure boilers. Here modern high pressure boilers are provided with the steam generation capacity of 30 to 650 tons per hour and above, pressure up to 160 bar, and maximum temperature up to 540 degrees Celsius. So these are the modern high pressure boilers, and these boilers are known as high pressure boilers. Various high pressure boilers are mentioned here. The list is as follows: Lamont boiler, Loeffler boiler, Benson boiler, Smith-Hartmann boiler, and Velox boiler. These are the some examples of high pressure boilers. These boilers are used for steam pressure up to 160 bar and maximum temperature up to 540 degrees Celsius, and these boilers are comes under category of high pressure boilers. Now we will see what are the unique features of high pressure boilers. First is method of water circulation. Instead of natural water circulation, they are using pump to circulate the water. That's why we can say force circulation is utilized for circulation of water inside boiler. Second is type of turbine. So instead of using single turbine, they are using number of pallet set of turbines to expand the steam and to control the pressure of steam. Next is improved method of heating. They are using, as compared to conventional boiler, they are using improved method of heating so as to reduce any heat loss and increase overall heat transfer coefficient of water. Next is compactness. As compared to conventional boilers, these boilers are compact in size because large number of small size tubes and number of paths are used to increase the heat transfer area, and hence size and weight of these boilers are reduced. So there are some advantages of high pressure boilers over conventional boilers. There are some points in which high pressure boilers are more superior as compared to the conventional boilers. First is, due to forced circulation of water, evaporative capacity of boiler is increased and size of drum is reduced. So we are using forced circulation to circulate the water through the boiler, due to which size of drum is reduced and evaporative capacity of boiler is increased. Second is, small diameter tubes are used, which increases heat transfer rate and reduce fuel consumption. So heat can be transferred from hot flue gases to the water easily due to small size tubes, and heat transfer coefficient increases. Next is, pressurized combustion is used, which increases the rate of firing of fuel and thus increases the rate of heat release. So here is one of the important advantage of using pressurized combustion to increase the rate of heat release. Next is, these boilers are compact and hence less floor space is required. Due to compact size, less floor space is required. Next, due to high velocity of water through the tubes, the scale formation tendency is eliminated. There is no chances of scale formation due to high pressure of water. Next, due to uniform heating of all parts, there is less chances of overheating. Next is, high pressure and temperature of steam lead to the increased plant efficiency. Then steam can be raised quickly to meet the variable load. Here, this boiler have this ability. We can achieve variable loads on the power plant. They can be easy to operate with high pressure. They can be easy to operate with the minimum requirement also. Next is, very rapid start from cold is possible. This is one of the most important advantage. In cold season also, or in winter also, they can be easily started in shortest duration as compared to the conventional boilers. So these are some advantages of high pressure boiler over conventional boilers.